This is something I'm going to try that I have not had much success with. It's called plastic welding. I'm going to take this tool right here, which I've had for 2 years. Maybe I just haven't figured it out yet. It is basically Chicago Electric plastic welding kit with different tips. And we have welding rods, which are plastic. One of them is for PVC, I'm not sure which one. One of them is for plastic, and the other is for vinyl. Now, which ones are which, I don't know. Then again, this panel here, which I want to weld this piece on, I'm going to give it a try, because if it doesn't work, I'll just use JB Weld. And I think what I'll do is I'll build a little metal boss piece. Come on, damn it. Get in there. Whatever. I can build a metal boss piece that fits right up in here. Now the trick with this plastic welder, basically what it is a hot air, extremely hot, like a hair dryer with a 3 different tips. What they suggest you do is practice, but I don't have anything to practice on, so I'm going to try and do a little spot welding. They want you to use this bent tip or this other one, and then this will be for finishing the plastic and smoothing it out. All right, I can't show you how this is done. Well, I can turn it on, but I'm not going to turn it on because it says don't turn it on until you're ready. Don't turn it on and off. What I'm going to do is take one of these 3 pieces here, right here, and attempt to heat this piece up, whether it is plastic. Now this is probably, nobody knows exactly what this stuff is unless you work for the injection molding plant at Honda itself. There, it's stuck in there. If I can get that back on here and I can get it welded in there, that would be just great. You know, for a 26-year-old panel. So I'm gonna heat it up and try it. There's no way I can do it with one hand and one hand on a camera, so I'm just gonna give this a try and see if it works. And if it does, then you'll be the first to see it here. It is a 1300. Excuse me, I got to get a shotgun and fix that car.